So you now come to this audio clip like this, audio file like this, sorry. Then you go up here to this left hand side, you see audio clip mixer. Click on it and adjust this up. Let's drop it at this 8 to see. Very text. I think this is all right. You're welcome back to SA Visuals Plus, and here we talk about simplified editing, videography, photography, and the likes. And today I'm going to be showing you how to make speech sound better, or should I rather say how to make audio sound better in Adobe Premiere Pro with just one click. I mean, just a click like this. A whole lot of unclear audio to your video files. Let's say after editing, you discover that, man, my audio files are not sounding better as I want. I need it to be a little bit up. I need it to be a little bit moderate for listener to quickly listen and understand what I'm saying in my videos. In order not to waste our time, let's quickly go into trying to solve this challenge as usual. So the first thing you need to do is to launch your Adobe Premiere Pro software just like this. Then you now import a particular video file so that we can test run to see how to remove the audio. Then you now drag and drop as usual like this. Take for instance, this audio is not sounding better as I want. So how to get into fixing it is just as simple as ABC. Now the audio file is actually beneath our video clip here. As you can see, is attached to the video. Then what you need to do quickly is to go to this effects here by your right. You click on it. You see essential graphics, essential sound, geometric color, and the rest. But our major emphasis will be on this essential sound. And then you now click on it quickly like this. You see a whole lot of options are here. You can see dialogue, you see music, SFX, ambience. I'm going to be talking basically on the dialogue because that is our major emphasis here in this very tutorial. Then make sure you as well watch this video till the very end to understand each step and to as well enjoy the bonus tip I'm going to be sharing at the end of the video. So you now come to this dialogue here and then you click on it. You see now it has given us another bunch of options here, but do not worry, okay, because you are going to so do not worry, okay. Then you now go to this repair. Can you see? You see loudness, repair, clarity, like that. Then you now click on repair like this. You see reduce noise, reduce rumble, dehome, and the rest. But in case you still don't want to use that process, you can quickly go to this custom here. You see, you click on it like this. You see default, background, voila, balance female, balance male, clean up noisy dialogue. You first of all click on this clean up noisy dialogue. Watch what happens to the. Can you see? Now, let's watch again. Watch the audio file carefully now to see what happens to it. Initially, it was like this. Then the moment you select clean up noisy dialogue, you see everything that seems to be noise in this very audio. Everything that seems to be noise in this very video clip ran away immediately. Can you see? Like video begins to freeze and skip. Now let's play the default. Glitch, like video begins to freeze and skip. Okay, so now this is the before. Then let's go to the after now. This is the after. And there's something, again, I would like to call your attention to, and which is whenever you clean up noisy dialogue like this, it automatically brings down the volume of your audio clip. So you will be at liberty to increase or to level it up as the case may be. But regardless of whichever ways, you still have to get a better audio at the end of the day because that's the target. Whichever ways, you still have to get a clear and healthy audio at the end of the day. So let's continue to see what we can do about it. Now you have actually cleaned up noisy dialogue. So The next thing you need to do now is to, so what you need to do next is to go to this loudness. That is, as in the case whereby this just a click is not working for you. Let's say you just click on it to clean up noisy dialog, and it will sanitize every part of the audio clip for you, every part of the audio file for you, and make sure you have a clear audio. So what you need to do quickly now is just to amplify the audio to make sure it is listenable. What do I mean by that? To make sure the audio is loud enough for everyone to at least listen to whatever you're saying in the video, or what your actor or the subject in that particular video is saying clearly and sound as the case may be. So you now come to this audio clip like this, audio file like this, sorry. Then you go up here to this left hand side, you see audio clip mixer. Click on it and just adjust this up. Let's drop it at this 8 to see. Very text. I think this is just perfect as expected. So this is just how simple it is to fix errors in your audio files, if I may say, or to sanitize your audio files in Adobe Premiere Pro with just a click. And if you actually find this video helpful enough, you can actually give it a like button and subscribe, and stay connected for more awesome content like this.